Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the Meinl Percussion HC11SNT-M Headliner Series Conga, an instrument that truly brings rhythm to life. This isn't just a drum, it's a meticulously crafted piece designed for both visual appeal and exceptional sound. Its striking supernatural matte finish on the rubberwood shell immediately catches the eye, offering an earthy elegance suitable for any setting. This rubberwood isn't just for looks. It's the secret to its outstanding resonance, projecting a rich, full-bodied sound that fills a room. The 11-inch size provides a perfect balance, delivering deep bass tones and crisp slaps, making it incredibly versatile for various musical styles. At the heart of its sound is a hand-selected buffalo head, chosen for its superior quality and remarkable responsiveness. Whether one is playing intricate patterns or powerful grooves, this head offers consistent performance and an organic feel. Its natural characteristics contribute to a unique sonic character that discerning percussionists will appreciate. Meinl has also prioritized player comfort and functionality. The robust, original Meinl-style tuning brackets ensure the conga stays in tune, with straightforward adjustments for precise pitch. The rounded rims are a thoughtful design, significantly enhancing playing comfort, allowing for longer, more enjoyable sessions without discomfort. Adding to its value, the HC11SNT-M includes a height-adjustable basket stand. This practical stand provides a stable base, allowing players to position the conga at their optimal height, whether seated or standing. Its sturdy construction and ease of setup are ideal for both home use and gigging. A tuning key is also provided, ensuring one is fully equipped to play right out of the box. This comprehensive package makes it an excellent, ready-to-play solution. Ultimately, the Meinl Headliner Series Conga, with its distinctive supernatural finish, exemplifies quality craftsmanship and intelligent design. It delivers an exceptional sound experience, comfortable playability, and comes complete with essential accessories, making it a superb choice for both aspiring and seasoned players seeking a reliable, inspiring, and truly resonant instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.